Alright, we got one, guys. We got one. Got one. First one. Oh, we got another one. We got another one, guys. This one's a nice one. Oh, we got one. We got one, guys. Got one. Oh, it's not bad, fool. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Chasing Calabasas. We're here today at one of our favorite spots. It's the Oildale Bridge of the river. Just a nice place. Has a bunch of smallmouth, spotted bass, and largemouth. Hopefully we can get on some big one for you guys. See what happens. Alright guys, what we're going to start with is a Senko, a 6-inch, bigger style Senko. This hook's a little bit more of a thin wire, so it should get straight through that fish's mouth. And has a nice barb on it. And it's a wide gap, so all the key features I would want to try to get these fish. Took my Senko full of power. Ugly on my scale. Won't take long at all. Let's go get our scale, another worm, and get some more. It's a 1.5, 1.9, 1.9. Alright, let's get on the way for it, guys. It's kind of hot out here. We're gonna have to release on this side because it's a lot deeper over here. I'll show this backside real quick. Like and subscribe. Chasing Calabasas. It's a pretty one. Thanks so much for the bite, little guy. Ugly release, but hey, he's on the way. He's on the way healthy. Oh, got one. I got one. We got one, guys. It's a dinker, but we got one. It's a skiing little dinker. It's a little Dinkosaurus Rex. Hooked him right in the mouth. Like and subscribe, Chasing Calabasas. Alright, like and subscribe, Chasing Calabasas. Let's go. Let's go try to get now. Got one. It's not a bad one either. Oh. Alright, like and subscribe. Fish number 3 on top ladder. Thanks for Basses, let's go. Oh, guys, I got one. I have like one hand. Got one. Little guy on the chatterbait. Yo! Check that out. Take a quick picture with that. Damn, I need to get back to the bank. Lay one of these poles down. Alright, like and subscribe, Chasing Cali Basses. I did a trick. I love it. Oh, got one. Got one. That's a nice one. That's a nice one, baby. Better than the last one. That was the awkwardest land ever. Hey, we got 2 fish already. Take a quick picture and get on this way. Like and subscribe, Chasing Cali Basses. Alright, fish number 2. Wow, guys, I just got this one on top water and didn't have a recording. Rookie mistake. Let's get a quick picture and get on this way. Number 3, like and subscribe. 2 on chatterbait, 1 on top water. Got one. There's one. Let's go. Let's go. Little guy. Another day. Healthy one. Little 1 pounder. Quick picture and get him on his way. Like and subscribe, Chasing Cali Basses. Out of here. Oh, nicer one. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, heck yeah. That's a layable fish. Hell yeah. 2.2. Like and subscribe, Chasing Cali Basses. Let's go. Alright, we got one, guys. We got one. Yep. We'll get this thing away. Almost a 4 pounder. Got one. Oh, it's not bad, fool. It's not bad. There's another one, bump out. Come here. ASAP. Ooh, I just caught a 4-pounder. Guys, look at that. That was fun. Thank you, God. Down, that's a 4-pounder. Alright, let's get a picture with it and get on this way. Oh, that was on 7-pound test too. River giant, bro. Alright, Chasing Calibasas, let's go. Healthy 310.